Money is power, and here are the top 5 money facts you need to know. Budgeting. A solid budget is your roadmap to financial success. Track your income and expenses and aim to save at least 20% of your earnings. Diversifying investments. Spread your investments across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk and increase potential gains. Avoid impulsive spending. Don't let sudden desires derail your financial goals. Take time to reflect on purchases and consider their long-term impact. Understanding credit scores. Your credit score affects your ability to borrow money. Keep it high by paying off debts on time and limiting credit card usage. Planning for retirement. Start saving early and consistently for retirement. Consider options like 401ks or IRAs and make regular contributions. Financial literacy is key to a secure future. Stay informed and take charge of your finances today.